Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain a very important process, an important update that you must do if you have a vehicle. So government has mandated a new process that is called KYV or Know Your Vehicle. Like we have for bank customers, you have Know Your Customer KYC. The Transport Department have launched this new process called KYV. And in this video I'm going to explain step-by-step process for that. So first of all, let us understand why KYV is needed. So it has got several benefits. The first one is verification of vehicle authenticity, owner identification, regulatory compliance, safety and tracking, and smooth digital integration. The main reason for doing this is to ensure that your vehicle meets all compliance requirements and owner identification happens seamlessly. So let's understand what will happen if KYV is not done. The main thing is that your smart tags will stop working. So your smart tag or FastTag, whatever you call it, it will stop working in all the entry and exit points in the toll plazas. And you definitely need to get a new FastTag to get it working. So here you will see few of the key problems that you might face if you do not go through this KYV process. Okay, now let's see what are its advantages. So it of course gives you an enhanced vehicle security. So many of the cases we have seen that the vehicles FastTag being misused by the private vehicles FastTag getting misused by the truck drivers or commercial vehicles. So that will definitely stop. Other advantage include reduced fraud risks, easier compliance, and improved trust. Now I will explain you the step-by-step process of performing your KYV. So I have my FastTags from IDFC Bank. So the application is called Fast Forward. You need to ensure that you download the right application applicable for your bank. So once you log into your bank website, you will see the cars that are listed and have got the FastTag from that bank. And you also see that against the number KYC pending message will be coming. So all you need to do is to click on that to begin the process. Okay, the process starts by verifying your mobile number, and you need to provide your registered mobile number. It will receive an OTP, and you have to verify the OTP before you move to the next step. So as a next step, after successful mobile number authentication, you will end up in this screen where you have to add photos of your registration certificate or the RC card, both front and back, and take one image from the front side of the car and one from the side. Ensure that you pick up the number plate properly, and then you also have to take one more image of your FastTag from inside the car. Make sure that the serial number is properly visible when you are taking the photo. So on submission, you will see this kind of message: KYV successfully completed, and the pending KYV message will be also gone, and inside you will able to see that KYV successfully completed, a notification coming inside your vehicle details. So that's it. That is how it needs to be done. Thank you very much. Stay safe, drive safe. If you have liked what I have presented, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment and share for better reach. Thank you.